Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting new product to review, the Diverbox for iPhone 11 case. If you're in need of heavy-duty protection for your phone, then this is the perfect choice for you. The Diverbox case is designed for the Apple iPhone 11, featuring a multi-layer defense system with soft inner and hard outer layers to absorb and deflect impacts. It also comes with a tempered glass screen protector for added protection. Plus, the raised lip ensures extra protection for the screen and camera, and it's even compatible with wireless charging. Not only does the Diverbox case provide heavy-duty protection, but it also includes a high-quality 9H tempered glass screen protector that is rigid yet ultra-thin and features a hydrophobic and oleo-phobic coating to prevent fingerprints and dirt. And let's not forget about the camera lens cover. It ensures full protection for your phone's camera without affecting the photo quality. But the best part? Diverbox offers a lifetime replacement for your iPhone heavy-duty protection case, so you can rest assured that your phone will always be protected. So, if you're ready to take your phone protection to the next level, make sure to check out the Diverbox for iPhone 11 case using the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.